we are making a Durban style crab curry. I'm here with my dad and he's really good in the kitchen. I make my crab curry very different to his. His dad makes the crab curry very different. So my grandfather's late and he had 2 different variations, and out of all the different variations, including my grand's variation, his is also just as amazing. So today he's going to take us through a step-by-step method of how to make a Durban style crab curry. Okay.
Put your onions now because the oil boils, then it will start.
Relax. Okay, so the next thing we're going to put in is your garlic and your chilies and your cardamom.
Onion. The onion now they must fry.
Wow. You saw my father cook this one.
But look at the chilies now, they just fry. Put that in onion.
Come stand.
哇，最喜欢吃松米仔，
Come stand. Put it in my hand.
松米仔。
Put the onions now, so the thing is getting brown.
Ma, please, the camera can hear you. People will think you bossy.
No, I'm telling
Okay,
you. put
next
my
time
onion.
you make the crab curry. That will
No, I'm
round
not.
2. Why are you putting in the salt now?
Okay, so what it does is it helps cook the onions quicker. And just put enough for taste.
Is it too high?
No? Perfect.
And the garlic is getting brown underneath.
It's fine,
No,
Ma.
on the side, yeah.
Right.
Don't stress, don't stress, don't stress, don't stress.
It's supposed to.
Must get brown. Not burning.
How you make your crab curry?
You must put the masala, no?
Get on with the garlic.
The lemon juice is only put when you put the crab.
They put the ginger and garlic in it now. Let it cook.
You put the garlic.
Good.
I mean the masala.
You can come stay here with me for a week and operate all of this.
Oh, wow.
Right.
Yeah?
I don't know how you make that.
This is the most important part of the crab curry and fish curry. Why? Because it's the base. And this will
Mix that spoon and all the chili powder together.
this will
That you put last, not now.
mush.
That's Dhania.
This is how our dad makes it. It tastes very nice. You'll see.
Add a little bit of a garam masala. That one where we got the water.
Nuts. I don't
A
do
little bit of that.
I don't
And
do
add a teaspoon of
Yeah.
sugar.
Oh, you put in water.
Add a teaspoon of sugar to get the acid out. We'll put all the sour.
You want it higher?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's nice, huh? I think Jeera used to make it like this and just leave it.
Until I made 10 with me, after 10. I put something on. Put this way.
No, it will cook very quick now.
No, it's low.
Yeah, the rest should make it like this.
Because if you taste it now, after
Yeah.
like 5 minutes with
Yeah.
the crab,
Yeah, you can eat it just like this and don't add
your mother makes it like this.
Now we
the
put the
tamarind.
lid.
So as you would have seen, we've just added in the crab and we can serve it like this, eh? So how long would the crab take to cook then?
About 20 minutes.
Just pop on the lid,
Pop on the lid and then add your garnishing. That's it.
your coriander, and then
Correct.
done. And then a lot of people have it this style. So like I said at the beginning of the video, my grandfather had 2 variations of how he made it. This is just a simple crab curry, but then there is another ingredient, if you watch till the end, that elevates the dish to another level. So just keep watching, and I think this is what typically makes a crab curry, a Durban style crab curry, with this just one ingredient.
Oh, it's lemon.
The chicken let them mix it nicely with the masala. And the side. Yes, okay.
So the magic ingredient is tamarind.
Black tamarind.
What are you doing?
Oh, you make it.
Yeah, okay.
Right, tip top and tip.
So the magic ingredient that we're going to be using is tamarind, and a lot of people use this ingredient that elevates the crab curry. It's in the purest form, and it also has seeds. So what you would need to do is you would need to take this and dissolve it in some hot water, and then obviously add it to the curry. But before doing that, you're probably going to want to use a sieve and just sieve out the seeds, because you don't want to have any clumpy seeds. Now there is an alternative if you cannot get your hands on this, and any Indian supermarket should have it, and this is the concentrated version of the tamarind, which is pretty much the same thing. You don't need to dilute this. You can add it as the paste, but we've added a little bit of water just to show you. So this is how it looks. It's in the form of a paste, and with it being diluted, it looks something like this. So we're going to add it now.
Once the curry starts to cook, they can taste to see the sourness of it, if they need to add more or not.
Masala.
Amazing.
Mix it more, all those. And
Cook so fast, yeah?
Crab cooked very quick.
The crab stomach tender, eyes tender.
Mom, trust me, My crab curry is like an old Indian
Yes, I
auntie
know. Just there you can push this black.
You will come here another time, and make the crab curry.
There you have it, Durban style crab curry.